Once I arrive in Google Docs, you'll see that it looks very much like other word processing software. If I click under the File button, you'll see that there are many options very similar to other word processing software. However, there is no option to save a file. Saving happens automatically as I am typing. Take a look. As you can see at the top, it automatically saves the information that I am typing as I type it. Once I finish typing the information, or once I take a pause, it will show that all changes are automatically saved in Drive. The title of the file is located in the upper left-hand corner. Currently, the file name for this document is Untitled Document. In order to change it, I need to click on File Name. When I click on the file name, very similar to other word processing software, it will make the first line of the document the name of the document. I can always change it if I like by simply typing something else there.